Well, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Poppy Casey coming to you, sitting out here in the studio on the porch, and thought I would just sit here and chat with you a little bit while I cook me a steak on the grill. Let me show you what I've got here. Steak, not really. It's let's see, it's a chuck roast, and I use it as a steak. It works well. Got some salt and pepper and a little bit of celery to munch on, and here's my grill that I'm going to use. Ooh, that's nasty. Hey, I want to say good evening to you. Yeah, it's let's see. I don't know when you'll see this video, but it's Monday evening. What is today? The 10th, 11th, something like that. I don't even know. It's in June, so whatever that is. I'll find out here in just a minute. Well, let's see. Okay, what I've got here is some 100% all natural fire starter. And what it is little pieces of wood like this, but it's pine. And it's got the resin in it. And that resin's what burns. And now you don't want to cook your food over that resin because it smokes real bad. It's black. It's nasty. It tastes terrible. So let's see here. Let's start this puppy up. And this is the way I like to do it. I like to start both ends of my stick burning so it kind of burns towards the middle. And it takes a little bit to get these things going. Okay, as you can see, I got both ends burning. We're going to set that right there for a minute and let it get going real good. Maybe we'll start it in the middle too. How's that sound? Okay, that's getting her going good right there, ain't it? Now let's just take these and set it down in here. Maybe that'll keep going. We'll see once. We want that going well though. And then I've got some bamboo sticks here. And we're just going to use these bamboo sticks and put them in there like kindling to just kind of ramp things up a little bit. Oh yeah, them are going to start nicely. Yeah. All right, let's call that good enough. Let them get going. Let's see if I can get you over there so you can see what's happening. See the smoke that creates? It's a black smoke. See if I can't bring you in a little closer here. No, that's not going to do it. Well, let's put a piece of wood on there and get it started. This wood that I'm using is black cherry. Black cherry. Oh. This other end is not wanting to burn as well as this end is here, but it'll get going here directly, I'm sure. Yeah, I see it coming through on the other side now. But we'll give that a few minutes to get going. In the meantime, let's open our meat up here. Let's see if I can turn you down here so you can see what I'm doing. Alright, we're going to take this here and set it on here and just kind of sanitize it a little bit. You know, that works well. Okay, this here is a, let's see, 2.3 pounds. It originally was $15 and some change. It was marked down to $8.60. $6.59 a pound went down to $3.79 a pound. So let's take and put some salt and pepper on it. Here's salt. This really is a hard way to do it, but I kind of like it. All right, and that's sea salt, by the way. Sea salt. And I don't have much pepper left. And it takes a lot of turning to do this. Oh, that fire's looking good now. I'm going to pat that in. All right. Yeah, that's looking real good. Let's take our brush now. Just kind of brush this. There we go. That looks good. Don't that look good? Now let's take this here and put it up here. Kind of set it up a few notches here, huh? There we go. Set that up a few notches. Ooh, it's a big piece of meat. Oh, listen to that sizzle. You see, we don't want to cook it too fast. Let me bring you in here where I'm at. Let you see what it looks like. See that there? And the fire down in there. It's just going to cook it slowly, but mostly it's going to smoke till that other piece of wood gets started burning. So that's going to look good. Yeah, that's gonna be fine. And that's going to do it for that one. That one's done.